how to fix ringing sound volume gets low on incoming calls on the iPhone. So when receiving incoming call, suddenly the sound becomes lower. Here's how you can fix it. Go into settings, then go down and tap on Face ID and passcode. Now enter the passcode. Then we scroll down and turn off attention aware features. So turn it off. And this time when you receive an incoming call, it will not lower the volume. As you can see, when I look at the phone, it will not lower the volume. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.